Good morning, everyone. It's science time. Science time. And today we are talking about the mass. How to measure mass. Well, right here, I have how we are going to measure mass. We are going to measure mass with the triple beam balance. And if you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, which is why they call it a triple beam balance. Take a moment to look and see, what do you see on the triple beam balance? You are correct. You see some hundreds, you see tens, you see ones. It's very similar to expanded form. Did you notice the G? The G tells us what we are taking as the mass. That's for grams. G stands for grams. So we are using the triple balance beam and we're going to measure in the units grams. And this is how we measure mass. Okay? Now I got 4 objects. We have a stapler. We have a brush. We have a camera. And we have a half-filled water bottle. Which one do you think have the greatest mass? Which one will have the least mass? Take a moment and decide. Okay, so I hope you made your guess. Let's see if you're right. When you're measuring, make sure everything is on the 0 to start off with. Let's start with the stapler. So if we put the stapler on there, as you see, the beam goes all the way to the top. So I'm going to move hundreds first. Up. Did the beam go down? No. So let's go to 200. Oh, it went all the way down, which means 200 is, yes, way too heavy. So let's go back to 100. Now I'm going to move my tens. I'm going to go to 50 first. Look at that. The beam is still up top. What about 70? Still there. 80. What about 90? Oh, that's too heavy. So let's go back to 80. And then you get to move your 1. And we're trying to have it even up. We want that beam, the lines, to even up with each other. Ooh, I think we're very close. So right now I would say that the stapler is 186. It's about 186 grams. So here's my information for my stapler. We had 100 plus 80 plus 6 equals 186. Well, it is expanded form. It's not even similar. It is expanded form. Okay, I'm going to take the stapler off. I'm going to move everything else back over to 0. And now we have the brush. Let's see. Oh, I moved it to 100. Look what's happened. It went down immediately. So 100 is way too big. So let's go back. We're going to do the tens. I'm going to go to 50. Nope, still too high. Let's go to 80. Maybe 90? Oh, 90 is too heavy. So we'll go back to 80. And we move our ones. Okay, so let's look over here. So we have the brush, which is 80 plus 3, 83. We're going to move it back over. And this time we'll do the camera. Okay, let's see if we go to 100. Still too high. Let's see if we go to 200. Whoa, way too heavy. Let's go back to 100. Let's move these tens. I'm going to go to 50 again. Ooh. No, I think 50 might be a little too heavy. Let's go to 40. And we're going to move those ones. Make sure our line. So now we have our camera, which was about 100 plus 40 plus 8, which gives us 148. Our last one is going to be that water bottle.